Ladies and gentlemen, as we invite into the red corner, sponsored by Mike Greer Homes, a warm welcome all the way from North Canterbury, Jeremy Solakof. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome into the blue corner, introducing all the way from Southland, Kieran Davis, sponsored by Fulton Hogan. Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the red corner, sponsored by Mike Greer Homes. He comes from Rangiora. He weighs in at 75 kilograms. He is Jeremy the Slugger Solakof. And opposing him, fighting out of the blue corner, sponsored by Fulton Hogan, weighing in at 76.5 kilograms, all the way from Southland, Kieran the Silent Assassin Davis. And as I said, ladies and gentlemen, this is over 3 2-minute rounds, and your referee, the man in charge, is Kevin Pine.
Here we go, round one. The first of our corporate fights here at the CBS Arena. Oh, look at this.
Landing some big stuff
Kieran
in here.
Davis loading up early. Well, he was...
Assassin by name.
No bag, you think. He's here. They're both loading and launching from the get-go. It's Davis coming off that loss, so he desperately wants redemption. 2 years ago, he put up a good stoush, but didn't get the result he wanted.
I tell you what, plenty of energy being expended here, Dobbo.
Yep. Oh, clumping right hand, going to the body, looking for the uppercut now. And over the top, missed with that. Did Davis...
Keeping the pace will be interesting too for these two lads. They've slugged it right from the start.
Yep. 3-2, 6 minutes may not sound much, but boy, I tell you, empty the tank, particularly off a pace like this. Just see how fit they are. Oh, nice overhand from Davis. Oh, goes again.
Assassin by name, and he's certainly living up to it. Southland boy, come here, and he's avenging the loss.
60 seconds to go in this first round, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get behind your fighter. Who's going for Mike Greer Homes?
So, Jeremy
Who's going for Fulton Hogan?
Fighting off the back foot at the moment.
Boy from
Looking for a way. Oh, got no power in that right hand. Oh, good 1-2 from Davis. Goes upstairs now. He's got him in the ropes. Ripped to the body. Going to the head. Missed over the top. Gets a referee's warning. Just keep those punches north of the border, please.
Come on, folks. They need you.
Dare I say it, Solakof.
Let's get behind your fighter.
Doesn't want to lose a Solakof after tonight.
I'll tell you what, he's behind on points at this stage because the Assassin's gone after him, Davis.
20 seconds to go in this first round. Come on, folks. Get behind your fighter.
Plenty of energy.
Another big right hand. Already copped a good left right on the kisser. Did Solakof.
10 seconds to go.
10 seconds to go. Still backpedaling. He's looking good on the guard, but oh, look at that. Oh, big uppercut.
Hey, that's down and out.
They've dropped a big uppercut from the Silent Assassin, Kieran Davis. And
that's
the referee has waved it off. We have a first round TKO. Redemption for Kieran Davis, who lost 2 years ago, finishing off.
Referee Pine now comes to the centre.
Jeremy Solakof. So the fight is over in the first round.
Yes, what, it was about 10 seconds to go in round one, wasn't it, Dobbo? And boy, he just got him against the ropes, and that's where the trouble was for him. He goes over now and just does the gentlemanly thing, which is great. Checks on the slugger. He's up and about. Well done. Wow, excellent plenty in that first round. They bounced out, I'll tell you that. That was for sure. And really, it was just a matter of, on the back foot was Solakof all the time in the red corner. He was on the back foot, and he paid for it dearly in the end. He's quite happy to sit down now. So Kieran Davis takes out round 1 first fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, bout number 1 that was brought to you by Cover Staff, your people partner for your recruitment solutions. And the decision is a knockout 2 minutes into the first round in favour of Kieran the Silent Assassin Davis. And the runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, Jeremy the Slugger Solakof.
Well, let's get a word from our two pugilists. Well, first of all, Kieran, I know you fought 2 years ago and had a loss, so you were wanting to come back big time, and you did tonight.
Yeah, pretty unreal actually. I'd just like to thank Jeremy for the fight for a start. Can't do it without him in there, and it takes a lot of balls to get in the ring anyway, so it's not for everyone.
Mate, you hit him hard with that overhand right, and you finished him off with the uppercut. Was that the plan?
The plan was just to come out fast and just take it to him, really, not stand back and wait for him to hit me. So.